The key in, push the key down, and hit the igniter. So I'm gonna push it with this finger.
Holy crap.
Dude, that went high. Oh man, that's way out there, dude. I don't know if that's gonna float back to us in time.
I see it.
I see it too.
I don't know if I see it on my camera, but I see it.
I see it too. It looks like it'll float back to us, dude.
Oh yeah.
Looks like it'll almost come back perfectly. I can too. I can hear the child alarm. It's coming in way too fast, dude. I'm gonna catch it. There it is. Whew. Successful touchdown. Perfect launch. Cool. Alright, see you guys later. There it is. Whew. Successful touchdown. Perfect launch. Cool. Alright, see you guys later. Yeah!